Ever found yourself in a Grab ride, ready to pay, but your GrabPay balance is running low? Or maybe you've received a refund and want to withdraw it as cash. Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of GrabPay and show you exactly how to convert your digital wallet balance into cold, hard cash. Understanding GrabPay. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what GrabPay is. It's essentially a digital wallet that you can use to pay for various services on the Grab app, including rides, food delivery, and more. Think of it as your virtual piggy bank. Methods to convert GrabPay to cash. Now, let's explore the different ways you can turn your GrabPay balance into cash. 1. GrabPay Cash Out Cards. This is probably the most straightforward method. Grab offers physical cards that you can use to withdraw cash from ATMs. How it works. Order your GrabPay Cash Out card through the app. Once it arrives, activate it and link it to your GrabPay account. Head to any ATM with the MasterCard logo. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the cash withdrawal option. Voila! Your GrabPay balance is now in your hands. 2. GrabPay Cardless Cash Withdrawal. If you're in a hurry and don't have a physical card handy, GrabPay Cardless Cash Withdrawal is your solution. How it works. Open your Grab app and select GrabPay. Tap on Cash Out. Choose Cardless Cash Withdrawal. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate a unique QR code. Head to a participating GrabPay Cardless Cash Withdrawal ATM. Scan the QR code using the ATM scanner. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. That's it. Your cash will be dispensed from the ATM. 3. GrabPay Cash Out at Grab offices. In some countries, Grab has physical offices where you can directly withdraw cash from your GrabPay balance. How it works. Visit a Grab office with your GrabPay account and identification. Request a cash withdrawal. After verification, you will receive your cash. 4. Transferring to bank accounts. If you prefer to have the money transferred directly to your bank account, Grab might offer this option in certain regions. How it works. Link your bank account to your GrabPay account. Initiate a transfer from GrabPay to your bank. The funds will usually be transferred within a few business days. Additional tips. Check fees. Be aware that some methods might involve fees. Check the Grab app or website for specific details. Withdrawal limits. There might be daily or monthly limits on how much cash you can withdraw. Security. Always prioritize your security when dealing with financial transactions. Avoid sharing your GrabPay PIN or account details with anyone. There you have it. Converting your GrabPay balance to cash is easier than you might think. By understanding the different methods available, you can choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. So, the next time you find yourself with a GrabPay surplus, don't hesitate to cash out and enjoy the benefits of your digital wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.